If you're just getting into crypto, there's one thing that you absolutely must understand, and that is how to store your crypto safely. Because if you don't, you just might end up losing everything overnight, just like that. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners in crypto to start and grow an online portfolio with crypto so that you can create the financial freedom for yourself and your family that you're looking and that you desire in crypto. So let's get started as I show you how to do the same. Now, if you're new to crypto, you've probably heard these terms thrown around there a little bit: seed phrases, public keys, private keys, wallets, all that sort of stuff. But what does it all really mean? What's it all about? How does it all really work? Well, in today's video, I'm going to explain everything that you need to know about crypto wallets, the difference with hot wallets, cold wallets, hardware wallets, soft wallets, how to keep your funds safe from hacks and scams, and make sure you keep that crypto locked up and safe for yourself. So if you like content like this, crypto content, videos, content that helps beginners navigate this world of crypto, make sure that you smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe for more videos that I consistently put out here in regards to crypto to help you or help beginners when it comes to crypto. Oh, I'm also curious to know, whereabouts are you watching this video from? Where in the world are you watching this video from? Make sure you comment down below and let me know where you are at when you watch this video. All right, so let's get started. Let's dig into this video here. Let's dig into this content. All right, first things first, what's a wallet? What's a crypto wallet anyways, right? I mean, you heard it around probably, right? What is a crypto wallet? Well, a crypto wallet is where you store and you manage your cryptocurrencies, your tokens, your cryptos, NFTs, all that sort of stuff. But unlike a bank account where you store your cash, your fiat currency, a crypto wallet, with crypto, you have all the control of your crypto in your wallet. In fact, actually how it really works is in your crypto wallet, you actually don't store your crypto. You are storing what's called your public keys, your private keys, and a seed phrase. That's what's in your crypto wallet. It gives you the ability to actually control the crypto. That's what it does. So there are really two main types of wallets when it comes to crypto wallets. There's a hot wallet and there's a cold wallet. And we'll get into that here right away, right next. Okay, let's talk about that. The two different types of wallets, the hot wallets and the cold wallets. First, let's talk about hot wallets. Hot wallets are hot because they are connected to the internet. They're very convenient, but they're much more riskier because they're vulnerable for hack. Some examples of hot wallets are such as Exodus, MetaMask, Rabi Wallet, Trust Wallet. They're software wallets or they're extensions on your browser, but they're always connected to the internet. And they do have your seed phrase so that you do have control of this wallet and with your seed phrase and your private keys and that. But because they're a hot wallet, and for example, a MetaMask wallet, it's an extension that's on your browser, your seed phrase, private key, and your public key, it's all stored right there on your browser. So just think about that. It's pretty risky just on its own when you understand that fact that it's all your information is just sitting there on a browser and somebody just needs to hack in your computer or hack your browser. And there it is. There's all the information that they need, right? Now, cold wallets, well, they're cold because they are offline. They are not connected to the internet. Now they can be connected to the internet. For example, this is a cold wallet. It's a hardware wallet. It is a Trezor wallet. Okay. And when you plug it into your computer and your computer is connected to the internet, well, then it is connected to the internet. But these type of wallets are much more safe to hold your information. Cold wallets are the best for long-term storage. Okay. Now, hey, actually, I also use cold wallets I use a cold wallet. I use a hardware wallet like this for everything, actually. And even when I'm doing fast transactions and I'm doing different convenient transactions, that is online, and I'm using a Rabi wallet, well, I will connect this hardware wallet, my Trezor, to my Rabi wallet, and that way I always have my seed phrase, my private keys, always stored offline or in a hardware wallet like this that I can disconnect from my computer every time, and I only connect it when I need to do a transaction. That's the best way to keep your crypto safe. Okay, very quickly, before we continue on here, I just want to make a quick mention that especially for those of you that are beginners here in crypto, I do have a beginner's checklist for crypto that you can grab, and you can just go down below in the description of this video. I've got a beginner's checklist for crypto that you can get. Grab that beginner's checklist so that you know a little bit more information and help you along the way here as an investor in crypto. Now let's continue on talking about wallets. Let's talk about the difference between custodial wallets and non-custodial wallets. Okay, this is very important, all right, because many people that get into crypto, if you're new and you're just getting into crypto, you probably come across, or you probably get into crypto by first going to an exchange, a centralized exchange, okay, where you've done your KYC, you know your customer, you got your ID out and everything like that, and you set up an account with an exchange where you can change your fiat currency, either Canadian, US, your euros, whatever it is, for currency such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then you can trade it for other cryptos. That's using a centralized exchange. Now, inside that centralized exchange, they have what's called custodial wallets. They have a wallet in there, and I really don't believe they're actual wallets. I mean, I don't think that this really should be a conversation about wallets, because it's not a wallet. They label it wallet. So that's why I'm saying it's very important for you to understand this. It's not actually a wallet. It's a custodial wallet because they have custody. The exchange has custody. That is why. So a centralized exchange, when you buy crypto and you leave it on the exchange, that is actually their crypto. You do not own the crypto, because if you don't have the keys to that crypto, the private key that will move that crypto, is not really your crypto. There's a saying in crypto, and that is not your keys, not your crypto. All right. It is very important. Okay. So that's why that is. Now, a non-custodial wallet is a wallet that you have custody. So I know it sounds kind of confusing. A non-custodial wallet is one that you have custody. Yeah, it's kind of just how it is, right? Now, what I mean by that is it's a wallet such as, for example, a Trezor wallet, right? A hardware wallet. This is my wallet. I have the private keys and the seed phrase for this wallet. Okay. So I actually own the crypto that I store with the wallet. Now, here's a funny thing about this, or a very interesting fact about wallets, is your crypto's not actually on this wallet or in this wallet. Okay. This is a piece of plastic, USB. And what's actually in this wallet is private keys, public keys, your seed phrase. Okay. That's what's in the actual hardware wallet, or even a hot wallet, a software wallet with MetaMask or Rabi or Exodus, something like that. Your crypto is not actually in that wallet. Okay. Your keys are in the wallet, and that's what it is. So if you have a non-custodial wallet, such as a Trezor wallet, it has the keys, you own the crypto. If it's on the exchange, it's a custodial wallet, they own the crypto. You think you own the crypto, but you don't. They actually own it. They can shut that exchange down and you never get your crypto. All right. Okay. Now on this topic of keys, now that we are already talking about this, right? These wallets, let's talk about this. We've got keys, you've got seed phrases. All right. Now you hear me talking about this. What's that all about? What does that really mean? Well, there's three parts to this. There's a public key, there's a private key, and then there is a seed phrase. Very important, three very important parts of this wallet that you need to understand. Okay. So a public key is this. A public key is kind of like having an email address. Anybody can have your email address, right? Without any harm. What could I do? If I have your email address, what could I do? I could send you an email and you'll receive the email, right? That's how that works. Okay. So same with a public key with crypto. If I have your public key, in other words, your wallet address, I can send you crypto. Okay. Makes sense? Cool. That's kind of how that works. Now, a private key is this. A private key is like the password. Okay. It's a password for your email. However, it does a little bit more than that. Okay. A private key actually allows me to move crypto. Okay. So this wallet, a Trezor wallet, a hardware wallet, my crypto isn't actually in this wallet. My crypto is on the blockchain, and it's always stored on the blockchain. It never leaves the blockchain. What's in this wallet is a private key that allows me to then move the crypto on the blockchain. Make sense? So it does what's called I can sign a transaction using the private key inside the hardware wallet, and that allows me to move the crypto on the blockchain. So whoever has the private key has the power to move the crypto on the blockchain. That's why I say in an exchange, they have the private key, they have the power, they have the ability to move the crypto. You don't. When you have it on the exchange, you are asking them, oh, Mr. Exchange, could I please have my crypto? Remember, you put in a request and then they move it for you. That's how it works. But if you have the private key in your hardware wallet, you have the power, you have control, you actually have control of that crypto now, okay? That's how that works. Very important to understand. Now, seed phrase. The seed phrase is this. A seed phrase allows you to restore a wallet. For example, Trezor wallet. If I have a Trezor wallet, it gets smashed, it gets broken, I lose the thing. What's going to happen? I lose it in a fire. Oh, what's going to go on? I lost all my crypto? No. All I did was I just lost this plastic casing, this USB key. That's all it was. If I have my private key, or if I have my seed phrase, I got that written down and it's safe, I can then take that seed phrase and go anywhere such as MetaMask or Rabby, or get myself another one of these wallets, Trezor wallets. I can then restore my wallet, restore my private key in another wallet, and then I can then access my crypto or move my crypto. It allows you to restore a wallet. So here's an important thing when it comes to all of this information is always keep this safe, okay? Keep this safe. This is the next part here. Very important. Your keys, your private key, your seed phrase, you want to then write this down. Never take a picture of it. Never keep it on your computer. Never keep it in the cloud somewhere, okay? Never keep it anywhere like that, or keep it on your phone or anything like that. You want to write it down on a piece of paper, your 12 words or your 24 words seed phrase on a piece of paper. Keep that safe. Guard it, because that's your access to crypto, okay? With great freedom comes great responsibility, okay? You need to be responsible for your seed phrase. Very important. All right. So when speaking of like common mistakes when it comes to crypto wallets and such, a lot of beginners make is they take a picture of their seed phrases, or they don't keep that seed phrase safe, and then they end up losing it, or they give it up. You never want to give up your seed phrase to anybody. Okay. Never give it to anybody. Nobody from MetaMask or Trezor or anybody's going to ask you for your seed phrase for any kind of support. All right. Just remember that nobody will ever ask you for your seed phrase unless they are trying to scam you. Okay. Another common mistake that people make when it comes to their wallets and that is they keep their crypto on exchanges too long. What is an exchange for? Either for trading crypto. Okay. And we wouldn't want to talk about trading crypto, or or buying crypto. Right? On-ramping and off-ramping from fiat to crypto back to fiat, and that's it. So if you're buying crypto from your fiat to crypto, you get your crypto and then move it to your wallet, and that's it. Okay? Don't keep it on the exchange too long, because you never know what's going to happen to an exchange, especially during a bull market, in the bull run. And when you get to the height of the bull market, the top of the market, that gets very dangerous, because you never know what's going to happen. Exchanges, that's when a lot of exchanges, they disappear, or they rug, or they disappear. They get shut down. Who knows? Nobody knows, right? Very risky to keep your crypto on an exchange. Get it in your wallet. Okay. So these are really the basics that you need to know as a beginner when it comes to cryptocurrency wallets. All right. So like I said, if you have not yet done so already, go down in the description of the video, grab my beginner's checklist for crypto so that you've got this checklist. And if you did find any of this information helpful, any of this content helpful, you know what to do. I'd appreciate it if you did. Smash that like button and drop me a comment down below and let me know what you found the most helpful in this video. And if you're not yet subscribed, well, hey, click subscribe, click the bell so you're notified when new videos are released. And also, I have another video right about here that I believe YouTube's recommending. YouTube's saying, check this video out. Head on over there. I'll be over there in that video, and I'll see you there, and bye for now.